Hello, my dear students! Hallo, hallo, hallöchen! Today we're going to be learning German greetings. My name is Irina Movsesian and you're watching Insta Language Online. Today we need to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. 8 words every day, many words a year. Okay? Even if you learn 10 words a day, it's 300 words a month. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, so let's start with 8 words. And we're going to be learning how to say hi, good morning, good evening, and bye. Okay? So the first and most common thing you say when you greet somebody, you say hello, which you pronounce the same word, but just in a German manner. Hallo, hallo. Make L soft. Hallo, 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 hallo. Repeat after me. Hallo, hallo. If you make it more like fun, cute, playful, you can make it Hallöchen. So this is the suffix hin, which makes everything diminutive, small. Like, for example, my name is Irina, but if I'm like small, cute Irina, I can say Irinchen. Ich bin Irinchen. So this is the suffix hin. I want to remind you that ch you pronounce as soft h. We saw this when we learned the word ich, I. Okay? Hallöchen. Hallöchen! I'm gonna tell you this every single day. Hallöchen! Okay, next one. Good morning. Good morning. So as English and German are the same language group, of course you see similarities. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Okay, so you don't say r, you don't say r, you say like French. Morgen, morgen, morgen. When you pronounce it fast, you don't even hear that, you don't have time to pronounce it. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen. Okay, next one. Good day, good afternoon. Guten Tag. Tag is day. I want to remind you that in the end, g is transformed into k. Tag, tag. And this word is a bit longer than usual. Not fast, tak, but longer, tag, tag. And make t, as I taught you at our last class on my YouTube channel, Insta Language Online. You have to feel the air. Tuck, tuck, tuck. I can feel both times on T and K. Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. Abend. Make it a bit longer. Guten Abend. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. I like how you pronounce the words. You're doing a great job. Keep on doing, okay? Keep on pushing. Next one. Gute Nacht. It's good night. We say when we want to say good night. Good. Gute Nacht. Night. Nacht. Okay, this is a long one, and that's when we say goodbye. So in the German language, you say till seeing you again. So pretty much it's see you soon, but we translate it as good night. Auf wiedersehen. Okay, now let's look at this word together. First of all, auf means till, until I see you again. Okay, now wiedersehen. Let's divide this word into 2 parts. Wiedersehen. So sehen means to see. Wieder means again. Again, see. Now, as we look at it as 2 separate words, we see that here it's in the end, like it's the end of the word. Wieder. Wieder. So you vocalize the last R. Wieder. W in the German language is pronounced as V. I told you when we learned the word wir, we, at our first class. Then E, the combination of E, is pronounced as long E. Wieder, wieder. Okay, now let's look at the second word. As we separated this wiedersehen into two parts, now sehen starts with S. And we remember, if the word starts with S and then followed by a vocal sound, you pronounce it as Z. Now, let's look at this combination EH. If you see H after a vowel, you need to make that vowel long. Z, N. Z, N. You do not pronounce H. Do not pronounce it. Wiedersehen. Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. And this one is just bye. It's very informal form. You can say it to your friends. TSCH is pronounced as ch. This is called umlaut. This is an umlaut. Two dots. Okay? So instead of U, you say Ü, Ü. This is like the sound between U and E. Ü, Ü. And this is called SZ. This letter is pretty much double S together. S, S. So let's read it together. Tschüss, tschüss, tschüss. I know we wrote so many letters and we just said 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, just 3 sounds. What's wrong with the German language? Nothing is wrong with it. We're learning it together and now we remember the combination of letters and how the letters are pronounced. Tschüss, tschüss, tschüss. Okay, let's repeat everything again. Hello, the diminutive form of hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, goodbye, bye. Let's read it again. Hallo, hallo, Hallöchen, Hallöchen. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen. Guten Tag, guten Tag. Guten Abend, guten Abend. Gute Nacht, gute Nacht. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss, tschüss. Now, I'm gonna ask you, what does this mean? Good afternoon. This? Good night. This? Hello. This? Bye. This? Good night. This? Good evening. This? Hello, but fun diminutive form. Okay, and let's do this. Good morning. So your task is to learn these words by heart and greet me at our next class saying, Hallöchen, Irina! Hallöchen, Irina! Hallo, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. And then when we finish our class, we say, Auf Wiedersehen! Tschüss! So I'm gonna say to you, Tschüss, meine lieben Schüler. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690 and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language whether you want it or not. Bye!